Hey, what's going on, everybody? Today I decided to come out here, the Cambodian Soul out here on Stan Sluter, see what they're working with out here. So let's go in here and let's see what they're working with. What's going on, everybody? Today I went out there to a new restaurant called Cambodian Soul out there on Stan Sluter here in Killeen, and I decided to try the jalapeno fried chicken with garlicky fried rice. Along with that, I added in some Cambodian egg rolls. With that, I'm not going to take up a whole lot of your time. Let's go ahead and get started, and let's dig into these bad boys, and let's see what we're working with. I'm going to start off first with these egg rolls. We'll see what these egg rolls working with. Egg rolls is pretty good. The shell is crunchy. Whatever the filling they use inside here, I'm not sure what it is. Kind of tastes like it might be some type of ground beef or maybe ground pork. Ground beef or maybe ground pork. But this egg roll tastes pretty good. I'm liking the crunch. And I'm liking the filling. Let's go ahead and let's dip it in some of this sauce and let's see what we're working with. This sauce is real good. Some type of sweet and sour sauce. We dip these egg rolls into this sauce. It really brings out the flavor of this egg roll. Let's go ahead and get another one. Can't get enough of these doggone egg rolls from Cambodian Soul. And good thing I like about the chef there at Cambodian Soul is that they cook all your food to order. So everything I have here was cooked to order. All right, let's go ahead and put these egg rolls down before I get too full. Egg rolls. Finger looking good. Next, we're gonna try this garlicky rice. And then this garlicky, I don't even know if I'm pronouncing that right, but then this garlicky rice look like it has eggs, vegetables, some type of crunchy bits on the top. I'm not sure, but egg, vegetables, the rice, the fried rice, and some type of crunchy bits on the top. So let's dig into this rice and let's see what we're working with. I like the seasoning. I like the little crunch that's added to it with these little crunchy bits. I'm not sure what these little crunchy bits are, but adds a nice little crunch to the rice. I'm liking this garlicky rice. But you really didn't come here for the egg rolls or this garlicky fried rice. You want to know what these jalapeno fried chicken tastes like. And as you can see, the chicken is fried golden brown and jalapenos on top of it with some type of seasoning on top. I'm not sure what the seasoning is, but let's go ahead and let's dig into this jalapeno fried chicken and see what we're working with. Well, this jalapeno fried chicken tastes pretty good. Chicken got a nice little crunch to it on the skin. And I'm not sure what type of seasoning this is on the chicken, but it gives it a little sweet flavor to the chicken. Like it's a little sugar or something like that. That's on top of the chicken. But that skin is crunchy. Those of you who like those chicken fried hard or fried with a good crunch, this chicken has good crunch to it, has good seasoning. The chicken itself once you get past the skin, and I don't eat a lot of chicken skin, but I'm liking this chicken skin on this fried chicken here. But once you get past all that, the meat itself is seasoned well and tender. And this is the first time I've eaten fried chicken with a little sugar, whatever this is, sprinkled on top. It gives a good contrast between the fried food, the seasoning of the chicken, and the sugar. It gives it a good contrast. So I'm really liking jalapeno fried chicken. Let's get one of these drums. Look how juicy. Look how juicy this drum is looking. Let's go ahead and bite into this bad boy and let's see what we got going on. I'm telling you, this jalapeno fried chicken is fire. I can't even get enough. Like I said, the combination of the crunch from the skin, that little seasoning they got on top, that is kind of sweet. And then when you get further into it, kind of reminds you of honey in there. And once you get past all that, the meat itself, the chicken itself, is fire and seasoned well. Y'all need to get out there to Cambodian Soul out on Stan Sluter and try this jalapeno fried chicken with this garlicky rice and these egg rolls. I'm pretty sure you'll be pleased with everything you get. With that, this is Stu, your food delivery junkie. I'm out. Peace.